Hello guys! Another unboxing day for us today. And today mag-unbox tayo ng another mid-range phone coming from VIVO. And this is the VIVO Y31. So ito yung bagong labas ng VIVO. Unfortunately, hindi siya 5G. This is LTE phone or 4G phone. And it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. Ito yung box. And sa likod. Na-unbox ko siya earlier kaya wala ng plastic. Anyway, i-attach natin yung unboxing na clip ko. So, meron siyang color na ocean blue and racing black. Pinili ko yung ocean blue kasi masarap sa mata yung ocean blue, fresh siya. While yung racing black, maganda naman yung black kasi very classy naman ang dating. So, the following clip is the unboxing of this phone. So, VIVO Y31, ito yung box. Sa front, nakasulat 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM or internal memory. Sa likod, ito naman. Sa likod, nakasulat 48MP rear camera, 1080p Halo full view display, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watts fast charge, and audio booster. Ang nakuha kong color is ocean blue. So, unbox na natin. Yan. Ito yung una natin makikita pag tanggal ng cover. And inside, meron tayong SIM ejector pin and the jelly case. The phone. Ano pa nasa loob? Then 18 watts fast charger. Type-C cable. And the earphone. Yes, may earphone. And wala na. Balik muna natin. So, here's the phone itself. Excited na ako. Buksan na natin. Excited ako sa color. Paano to? Buksan. Medyo hirap buksan, no? So, ito yung phone. Wow, I like the color. Ocean blue. Para siya sa Frozen. Let it go. Yan. Ganda, oh. And, hindi siya matakaw sa fingerprint. Kasi may pagka-match siya. I like it. Mukhang pang mayaman. In other words. Okay guys, so I'll be back and set up ko muna yung phone. So here's the phone, na-set up ko na. Ito yun. And then, yung finger scanner niya, nasa right side siya. So try natin lock yung phone, then unlock natin. Lock, then unlock. Lock, and unlock. Satisfied ako sa response sa pag-unlock. And then, tingnan natin yung camera. Ito yung camera niya, oh. Lagyan natin ng jelly case. Ito. So, hindi nakalabas yung camera kasi natakman na ng jelly case. So, okay yung health ng jelly case. Okay yung free jelly case natin. And speaking of free jelly case, meron na rin siyang screen protector. So, okay siya. Tapos, ito yung likod. Tinanggal ko yung jelly case para ma-appreciate natin yung color niya. So, plastic yung likod niya. Yan. And then, the front is ito. Yung camera niya located sa middle. Dew drop siya. And ang processor niya is Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and this is expandable up to 1TB via micro SD card. Ang OS niya is FunTouch OS 11 with Android 11 na siya. Yung screen size niya is 6.58 inches, so medyo malaki-laki siya, with the resolution of 2408 by 1080 FHD+. Ang display type naman niya is IPS LCD. Medyo hindi siya bright pag nasa labas, pero very colorful siya and that's what I like about this phone. So while watching YouTube and other streaming video, very colorful siya. And then guys, pansin ko medyo manipis siya dahil 8.38mm yung thickness niya. So cute siya. So medyo manipis siya. Meron siyang earphone jack, mic, Type-C port and loudspeaker sa ilalim ng phone. Tapos on the left side wala siya. On the top of the phone andun yung SIM card tray and the secondary mic. And finger scanner and the volume control on the right side of the phone. So sa SIM card tray pwede siya 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Ito yung camera nila sa likod. So may malaking lens sa taas, yung main, and then 2 sa ilalim. For the specs, meron silang 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth. Yung video nila can record up to 1080p, and yung zoom niya is up to 8 times. For the front camera, meron siyang 8 megapixels. Guys, don't be confused kasi ang Vivo, pagdating sa Philippines, nag-iiba yung specs, especially sa camera. Sa India and other version, ang camera niya sa unahan is 16 megapixels. For the Philippines is 8 megapixel. So, for the following clip, andun yung mga video sample and pictures from this phone. So yung video niya, stabilize siya. Kasi nag-take ako ng video, tapos naglakad ako ng walang effort. Yung normal lang. So pag-tingin ko pag-review ko sa video, stabilize siya, which I enjoyed it. Macro shots are okay. And from the front camera, pagdating sa video, maganda siya kasi wide siya. Kita yung mga tao sa likod. So pag mag-video kayo with a group of friends, halos kita naman lahat. Hindi siya nagka-crop. So malaki siya. Pag naka-landscape siya. Pag naka-portrait, syempre ikaw lang yung kuha. So overall, I enjoyed using the camera of this phone. Battery capacity of this phone is 5,000 mAh. For the games such as Mobile Legends and Call of Duty, both of them perform good. For the Mobile Legends, meron siyang HFR mode and graphics niya is up to high. While for Call of Duty, ang graphic quality niya is up to very high and the frame rate is up to high only. Pero both of them, okay yung gaming. May isang frame drop lang na na-experience ko sa Call of Duty, pero after that, paglaro ko ulit, okay na okay sila. And I like watching videos and other streaming on this phone. Bakit? Kasi very colorful siya. Ang ganda niya, colorful siya. Try nyo guys, pag nakabili kayo ng Vivo. Very colorful siya. And then, of course, with the loudspeaker, okay din loudspeaker niya. So, both of them, you enjoyed using it on this phone. Again, the brightness is not so that high. So, mas okay if you watch this indoor. Para mas okay experience ninyo watching on this phone. Overall, guys, this is a good phone. I enjoyed using this phone taking pictures and videos. Also playing games, watching streaming, and also the battery life. Ang battery life nito, for my experience, umabot ako na 1.5 day with some Mobile Legends game, surfing the net, using Facebook, Lyka, and Instagram, and Messenger. The benchmark of this phone is 192,870. So, medyo okay lang yung score niya. Pagdating sa performance din, medyo okay na rin. Hindi siya nag-lag pag maraming application na naka-on or running on this phone. So, satisfied naman ako sa performance ng phone. The price of this phone is 12,999 pesos. Pero again, guys, this is not a 5G phone. This is another mid-range phone from VIVO. And this is the VIVO Y31. I hope you enjoyed watching this, guys. And see you guys again. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Bye!